On a day in autumn, the cold breeze bestows on Rumi his most heartwarming gift, who was his mystical love, Shams Tabrizi. Shams then teaches Rumi his 40 rules of universal divine love. Inspired by his mystic mentor, Rumi loses his carnal consciousness during one of his meditating and worshipping sessions, and he suddenly and impulsively starts chanting an epic poem as this.
I was all tears, then smiles. I was dead, then alive. The might of love arrived and dared me to survive. My eyes no longer crave. My soul is so brave. I'm a lion-hearted star, rain, sky, wave. It said, you're saying you don't merit this domain. I left to go nuts, then I went off the chain. It said, you're not a sort, you don't fit in this lot. My joy broke out after I drank shot after shot. It said, you aren't slain, the joy hasn't soaked your vein. Thus I fell and died before its life-giving rain. It said, you're just streetwise, undrunk on doubts and wiles. I got dumb and stunned, so I forgot all my ties. It said, you're candle, you are this crowd's idol, evading my titles, like fume I twinkle. It said, you're a teacher, preacher, and a chief priest. Hence, I take no novice, as I'm at your service. It said, you're in fine feather, I can't do you better. Yearning for its wings, I ended my golden weather. The new might said, do not fret, and do not sweat. I'm coming your way as I'm compassionate. The ancient love maintained, with me you remain. I replied, for certain, with you I retain. You're the source of soul, and the willow's shadow. Because of your glow, I'm now toiling alone. My heart neatly split and found a gleam of spirit. It weaved a new velvet and loathed its old jacket. At down, feeling so proud, the soul's mouth bragged so loud. I used to be a pound, now a lord on a cloud. The sugar pack praised your endless sweet ways. In your nice embrace, it forever stays. The down soil humbly praised the galaxies of space, that it can gain light rays due to your sway and grace. The whole universe extols angels and goddess, that it's giving and lustrous due to your highness. The sage of God's mystery is glad on his victory in being the luminary on the sky's top story. I was Neptune, now the moon. 100 spheres I attune. I was a mystic tycoon, now I breed a tycoon. O son of romance, at us both take it glance. See how your greed danced and made my smile enhanced. Be like flowing chess, mute but full of converse. Because of that king, I'm glad and rapturous.